Hi, and welcome to the webinar. My name is Callum, and I'm part of the Welcome team here at Receipt Bank. Part of my role here is helping our partners get the most value from the new features that we are releasing across Receipt Bank. Today, we'll be taking a look at some of these brand new bookkeeping tools that are on offer to help you streamline your firm, and how these tools can help increase your practice's productivity and efficiency. So this is what we're going to be covering in today's webinar. First, I'll just give you a quick overview of some of the problems bookkeepers are facing and the tools on offer that can help overcome them. Next, we'll take a closer look at Receipt Bank and the bookkeeping efficiency tool Practice Platform. I'll then take you through some of the new features in the Practice Platform that will help improve your client experience and efficiency. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, Receipt Bank was created by first identifying a problem. Bookkeeping should be a very profitable business. However, this is often not the case. Bookkeepers end up competing on price, which is usually based on how long the work takes, resulting in low margins and an unprofitable enterprise. Now, new technology has the power to change all that, and this is where bookkeeping automation tools such as Receipt Bank come in. They allow practitioners to boost their productivity and build a more profitable business model. Receipt Bank automates data entry, accurately extracting and organizing key information from all your clients' invoices, receipts, and bills. All receipt and invoice data is automatically stored and categorized when it arrives, meaning that it can be quickly published to your chosen accounting software. This automation means that the bookkeeping process becomes more efficient and allows accountants and bookkeepers to spend time saved on adding value to their clients and other more important tasks. To increase this efficiency even further, bookkeepers need visibility over their activity. After all, if you can't measure your efficiency, how can you improve it? That's why at Receipt Bank we have the Practice Platform, a centralized data hub for all your bookkeeping business. So this is the bookkeeping analysis dashboard of the Practice Platform, the brain of the operation, and it features a series of metrics that will give you clear visibility over your firm's efficiency as well as your clients. The outstanding workload metrics give you the ability to take control of the work allocated with precision. At a glance, you can see for each client how many items are waiting to be processed and even an estimate of how much time you need to spend per client to get them up to date. Using these metrics means you can ensure that the work is allocated to team members as efficiently as possible, making full use of all your staff's time. Next is the urgency column. Now, these metrics let you track all of your clients' information as it comes in and make sure that you're staying as up to date as possible. For each client, you can quickly view their inbox age, which shows the age of the oldest item in days, as well as using a traffic light system so you can quickly see which client needs the most attention. This ensures that the information in your cloud software is complete without any items getting left behind. Over the end here, we have efficiency, a metric that monitors what percentage of your clients' suppliers are being published to the cloud automatically. Receipt Bank gives you the tools to get the information from your clients, extract that data automatically, and publish it straight to your cloud accounting software without you having to see a single item. And our top partners have at least 25 to 30% of their suppliers fully automated. Lastly, we have client efficiency, which helps alleviate the stress of chasing clients for data. Practice Platform tracks when your clients last submitted information into Receipt Bank, giving you an easy way of tracking their engagement and activity. You can also see which of your clients are submitting their data using the mobile app. This is the most efficient way for your client to get their data to you, and means that your client is doing their part to ensure their books are relevant and useful. Now, chasing clients for data is an activity that is old as bookkeeping itself. It wastes time and it's stressful for clients, and it gets in the way of productivity relationships. One of the great features that has just been released for Practice Platform this year is Receipt Bank push notifications, which helps both you and your clients save time when they're submitting their receipts using the mobile app. Clients who uploaded scanned copies of receipts held on them for twice as long compared to those using the mobile app. And that's not even mentioning how laborious collating, scanning, and uploading items is compared to a few taps on a phone screen. Push notifications gently remind your clients when it's time to submit items, whether that be at the end of the month or if they haven't even submitted any items for a while. Already, we've seen that nearly half of all users who received a push notification submitted their receipts the same day, and that they're twice as likely to use the app to submit their receipts. ReceiptBank tracks how often your clients are submitting and adjusts the frequency of the notifications sent accordingly. So this helps avoid any sudden workload spikes by helping your clients submit their items often rather than letting them build up and submitting them all at once. Now, communicating with your clients regularly is really important, and having the right conversations can help reduce client exits. We know how valuable client communication can be and how frustrating it can be for both sides when it becomes inefficient. So we talked to our partners about this issue, and using the feedback, we've produced a brand new messaging system in ReceiptBank to help ensure that the communication is kept efficient and personal. So if you have questions around a receipt or an invoice that your client has submitted to you, it can be tricky to discuss it efficiently when juggling attachments and downloads and stressful email chains and phone calls during an already busy day. This kind of communication can become frustrating, and the uncertainty of waiting for replies becomes a time waster. On the screen, you can see the feature that we've built to answer this problem. It's called item messaging and allows you to send a direct message to your client within any receipt or invoice stored within ReceiptBank. Any user on the Practice platform can send a message, which will then be received by the client on their mobile app. On the app, they can instantly see which item you're querying and reply with a clarification there and then. You can discuss issues easily without long delays or an email black hole, and all your messages are kept safely in ReceiptBank alongside the item in one single thread. You can achieve effortless and personal communication with your client, meaning you can keep them engaged and develop a productivity relationship with them. So that brings me to the end of our webinar. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you found it useful. One of our team will be in touch with you soon, so if you have any questions about what was covered, or if you'd like to find out more about the cloud revolution and what Practice Platform and ReceiptBank can do for your practice, they'll be more than happy to discuss that with you. All right, thanks.